Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Pooja Verma from Tourism Education. Now I am presenting the Federation of Hotel and Restaurant Associations of India. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe our channel. What is FHRAI? FHRAI is the voice of hospitality industry and provides an interface between the hospitality political leadership, academics, international associations and other stakeholders. Established in the year of 1955, managed by the Executive Committee and headed by the elected president, having a tenure of 1 year. The day-to-day business is conducted by the Secretariat and headed by the Secretary General. Its mission to represent, promote and develop the hospitality industry in India. FHRAI was sponsored by the 4 regional associations representing the Eastern, Northern, Western and Southern region of India. The Memorandum of Association was signed by the doyens of the industry on 15th April 1955. About the Executive Committee. The business of the Federation is managed by the Executive Committee, comprising of 24 members, 6 from each of the 4 regional associations, who are nominated at the annual general meeting except for the president, who is elected. The time period of the Executive Committee is of 1 year. The president supervises and guides the administration of the federation, that is run on a day-to-day basis by the Secretary General and the Secretariat. The president is elected for a 1-year term by the turn from the 4 regions. The vice presidents are nominated from the regional associations other than the one represented by the president. The honorary secretary is nominated by the president. The honorary treasurers and joint honorary secretary are elected by the Executive Committee. 4 regional associations of the FHRAI. The 4 regional associations are the 4 pillars of FHRAI and actively work in sustaining the mission of FHRAI in their regions. To become a member of FHRAI is necessary to be member of the concerned regional associations. Its mission to represent, promote and develop hospitality industry in India. Membership. With more than 3,824 members, comprising of approximately 2,484 hotels and 1,004 restaurants and 132 associate members and the 4 regional associations, there are different types of FHRAI membership is given below. First one is FHRAI hotel membership. Second one is FHRAI restaurants membership. Third one is FHRAI associate membership. About FHRAI hotel membership. Eligibility criteria for becoming a member of FHRAI hotel membership is given below. First one is must be a member of our regional association, must be a functioning establishment in operation, must have minimum 10 rooms or the qualifying criterion of the regional association. If the hotel is under construction, only associate membership can be approved. This can be converted to hotel membership once it starts operation. Must have a restaurant in the hotel. Must have all the relevant municipal policy or any other required license with current validity. A restaurant in a hotel can also become a separate restaurant member. One restaurant can become member for hotel with 25 to 100 rooms, and two restaurants can become members for hotel above 101 rooms. About FHRAI restaurants membership. Must be a member of one of our regional association, must be a restaurant under operation, must have minimum 25 covers, must have all the relevant municipal police or any other required licenses with current validity. About FHRAI associate membership. Must be a member of one of our regional association, must be associated with the hospitality industry in some way. Only companies, firms and such entities can become a member, not individuals. Hotels under construction should apply for associate membership. This can be converted to hotel membership instantly after the hotel starts operation. Our associate members are not entitled to FHRAI membership discount cards. About benefits of FHRAI. FHRAI is connected to interest of the hospitality community and working in several ways for its welfare and progresses. The first one is discount cards. FHRAI hotel and restaurant members get 2 membership discount cards, entitling them to 30% discount on rooms and food and beverage in all member establishments. Second one is guide. Membership entities you to be listed in our prestigious hotel and restaurant guide India, which is updated and published every year. Magazine. Our monthly FHRAI magazine is a highly acclaimed premium publication for the hospitality industry. It provides vital updates on legal matters, government notifications, and also features insightful articles on key trends in the industry and global hospitality in India. As the authentic voice of the hospitality in India, FHRAI actively engages with the central and state governments on a multitude of issues and robustly represents the views and concerns of our members. Objectives of FHRAI. FHRAI is apex body of the 4 regional, Eastern, Western, Southern and Northern associations representing the hospitality industry. It helps the hospitality industry to grow. It is committed to the progress of the industry through the various activities like education and training, research and publications, and an annual convention to promote interaction with the objectives for which the association is established are given below. The first one is to plan, promote, protect by lawful means the interest of the hotel industry. Second one is to secure for the industry its due place in India's economy and highlight its crucial role in the service of tourism industry. To help raise the standards, growth and an image of the industry both in India and abroad. To take up, consider and discuss issues of national and international importance affecting the industry. To communicate with industrial associations, chambers and commerce and other commercial, industrial or public bodies within and outside India, and to concentrate on promotional measures for protection of business and commercial activities of the industry. To establish and maintain libraries and data bank so that timely information, data advisory and research services can be provided, and the study of advanced trends and problems etc. of the industry can be facilitated both in India and abroad. To apply for and obtain any rights, concessions and privileges from and to enter into arrangements that may seem direct or indirect conducive to the objects of these associations with any authorities, central, local or otherwise. To establish a network at the national, regional and state levels in order that grassroots services and relationships are formed for the purpose of the promotion of the objects of the association. FHRAI's object to serve the small, medium or large sectors of the industry on a harmonious basis. To constitute and maintain cooperation and encourage friendly feeling and anonymity among the members and others engaged in the industry on all subjects connected with their common good. To constitute and maintain a human resource center for qualified staff to select managers, chefs, confectioners, maitre d' hotel, bartenders, housekeepers, etc. To run hotel schools of international standards and repute, to plan, promote and provide for training in all operations and management committee from time to time. I hope you understand as well. Thank you.